Greg again. Plugged this amp in so you could hear it. This is I don't even know how many watts it is, but anyways, 6V6 running at 90 volts, single-ended. Plugged into a vintage 30, just because everybody knows what a vintage 30 sounds like, or should know what a vintage 30 sounds like. So anyways, hopefully you'll be able to see it. I'm going straight in right now, and then in a second I will run it through a reverb, some effects. Just give me just a second here. Bridge pickup. It's not too loud. I'm out in my garage. It's about 10:30 at night. Anyways, so I'm not too worried about waking up the neighbors. It's not that loud. Run the neck pickup. About 6 right now. Turn the bass and the treble up about 3/4 of the way. Just on the neck pickup. Bridge pickup. Not bad. Turn the volume up a little here. Get that about 3/4. Got a nice bark to it. We'll put her on the neck pickup. So I'm going to turn this back down about halfway. Now I'm going to plug in some effects. And we'll start with a standalone reverb, and a tube screamer, and a wah pedal. Let's see. This thing hooked up here real quick. For some reason I'm not making any noise, and that's never a good sign. Oh. The old forgot to plug it in trick. I fall for that one a lot. Treble down a bit, sweeten it up. More reverb on there. sounds pretty nice, clean, and it's really not very loud. Like I said, it's the middle of the night and I'm playing out in the garage. It's kind of why I wanted to build amps like this, so you could get a little more full tone and a little quieter volumes. It's got a little more bass than the 12AU7. Okay, I got a tube screamer, got the drive turned all the way down, I've got the tone at about 7 and the level turned all the way up. Put it on the bridge pickup. And we'll turn the drive all the way up just to make the most. Anyways, I think that's about it. There it is.